Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the microphone not working in ChatGPT. So if you want to use your microphone in ChatGPT and it's not working, let me show you different things you can do to fix this issue. The first thing is, head over to your settings and scroll down to Privacy and Security. Right there, look for Microphone. Once you click on Microphone, if you're seeing ChatGPT right here, just turn on the microphone for ChatGPT. So if ChatGPT is not showing right here, let me show you different things you can do. The first thing is to update the application. Head over to your App Store or Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and if there's any available update the app and see if the issue will now be fixed. If you update the app and it's still not working, another thing you can do is to delete and reinstall the app. So delete the app completely from your phone and re-download it. For most people, this method works for you. Just delete and re-download the app. If that's still not working, head over to your settings and update your device software. So just go to General, Software Update, and update your phone. Once you update your software, this can also fix it. So yeah, that's it. If you find this video helpful, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.